Welcome to our channel. Using Mail Merge in Word with Excel data allows you to create personalized labels, letters, or envelopes for multiple recipients efficiently without typing each one individually. Step 1. Prepare your Excel spreadsheet with contact information, ensuring column headers like first name, last name, address, city, state, and zip code are clearly labeled in the first row. Step 2. Save your Excel file and close it to avoid conflicts when connecting it to Word. Step 3. Open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document for your Mail Merge project. Step 4. Go to the Mailings tab in the Word ribbon at the top of the window. Step 5. Click Start Mail Merge and select Labels from the drop-down menu. Step 6. In the Label Options dialog box, select your label vendor and product number that matches your physical label sheets. Step 7. Click Select Recipients in the Mailings tab. Then choose Use an existing list. Step 8. Navigate to and select your Excel file containing the contact information, then click Open. Step 9. Confirm the correct worksheet or table from your Excel file if prompted. Step 10. Position your cursor in the first label cell, then click Insert Merge field to add fields like first name, last name, and address. Step 11. Format the label with appropriate spacing and line breaks between fields to create a properly formatted address block. Step 12. Click Update Labels to copy your field layout to all labels on the page. Step 13. Click Preview Results to see actual data from your Excel file populate into the label template. Step 14. Click Finish and Merge, then print documents to send all labels to your printer, or edit individual documents to create a new Word document with all labels for manual review. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.